Hello everybody, what's going on? It's TCA Elite here for episode 14 of Johnny's World, and I've already gathered the supplies and built my way up here because no one wants to see that. And we're kind of just preparing for, I guess you could just say preparing for the end, like the end of the series basically. And by doing so, we need to stock up on arrows, especially because I plan on taking on the Ender Dragon. And, well, yeah. A bow is nice to have, especially because it does way more damage anyway. So, my plans are episode 20 will be the last episode, and we are on episode 14. So, in this time, we will be at speed farming, so we can get a way better bow than just a power 1 bow. We will be getting a lot of arrows, and yeah. Now, we're just making a mob grinder right now to try to help stock up on the arrow problem. Maybe one of those villages has some arrow traits, though. I don't know. One more this way. So basically, this entire episode is mob grinder plus arrows. Oh no. Oh no. Well, I'm gonna go get some more cobblestone. I'll be right back. So, when I was mining, I found a couple pieces of lapis, because I actually had to go mining to find the cobblestone. We actually didn't have any left over in our chest. And, so yeah. So I found a little bit of iron so we could finish our running around set, I guess you could call it, with the pickaxe and that kind of stuff, because, yeah, it's just nice to have. Now, I'm not necessarily sure on how efficient this is gonna be. I just hope it kills them. So we're gonna take off all of our armor and jump. I mean, it's not like we're gonna lose any of it. And we're gonna see if it kills us or not. We are wearing iron armor right now, though. I've already put my diamond one away, my diamond sword. Hopefully we can remake an iron sword, an iron pick, that kind of stuff for this running around set, because diamonds aren't necessarily the easiest thing to find. I'm pretty sure everybody that plays Minecraft knows this. So let's take off our armor. Moment of truth. Please kill me, please kill me, please kill me. Okay, it didn't. But we have a little bit more health than mobs do, I guess you could say. So it will probably kill a mob. And if any of them are just sitting down there, they'll be in one bang, so we can easily just go off and kill them. Put our cobblestone away. Put this pick away. That's our diamond set right there. And this is our bow, saving up for arrows. And we'll put this lapis away. Same with this pickaxe. And let's go check on our... And it's all done. So we have 2, 3, 3. So 8, 11 pieces of iron. All we have to do is make boots. Now we got a fresh pair of boots. And we have an iron pickaxe, so I'm going to pull that out, but I want to make a new one because that one's almost dead. Come on, we don't have any sticks, do we? Doesn't look in here, maybe? We don't have any sticks whatsoever. Okay, so we can't make a new pickaxe or a sword, even, till we go get some sticks. So that's kind of crappy. What chapter? Well, let's just go knock down a tree. Now, I'm not necessarily sure when, but I think Johnny Craft's gonna come out next week. So sometime next week, and that's gonna become like the brunt of my Minecraft in general, and probably mainly most of my episodes because I don't upload that much. I do other things in my spare in my time, and I have a lot of other things to be doing. The only reason I've been able to get so much lately is because I've been sick, and I just took quite a bit of medicine, so I'm a little loopy, but it's okay. That's the only reason I've been able to record at all. Otherwise, I'd sound terrible. Just like at the end of last episode, I think it was just bad. So 14. The only thing I don't like about classic crafting is that like it takes so long. So 56 sticks. So first, let's make us our awesome sword, and now we'll make us our next pickaxe with 2 iron left to spare. So we are gonna have to do like an organization episode soon because I have no idea where anything's at. Just kind of look through things pretty quickly and see where it gets me. So I don't expect anything to be in here just yet, but I am gonna go look. Yeah, nothing. So our journey right now is to go find some mobs and get some XP along the way. Mainly skeletons. That's what I want to look for. So, kind of maybe. Yeah, I think that's a mob spawner right there. Yeah, I think that is. Yes, it is. So this is going to be an excellent source of XP farming, I guess. Have them come to us. Come on. Give me the XP. Now, I didn't even know this was here, so this is actually a really lucky find. So this episode should be going really well. We're getting XP. We have basically an unlimited XP source. I wish we could pick it up and take it closer to our house, but it's not terribly far. I can see our mob grinder pretty well from here. These zombies will never drop anything necessarily useful though, and getting flint and stuff takes a long time. So I'll get back to you guys after we've gotten some XP. Wait. Okay. So yeah. I'll be back. I got to level 33 off grinding, and it's nighttime, so think about heading home. And I don't want to go to sleep because I don't think the mob grinder is going to work as well. Oh, piece of flint already. Now, we could go check out the villages and see if they have any flint trades. Flint, feather, or even arrow trades. That'd all be nice. If it's not anything too ridiculous, I'll probably do it. So we're gonna check this village first, kill the skeletons along the way, and then we'll check the one by our house if there's nothing in this one. And then we'll check the mob grinder, probably in the episode. So we started at 3 arrows this episode. And we already got 2 out of that skeleton alone. So, we got... No, nothing. Anybody in here? No. No. Oh wait, there's multiple of them in here. I can't even see half of you. No, not you. An emerald for 9 arrows. Okay. So I'm gonna block this door because I don't want him dying. At all. I want to see if there's any better deals or good deals for emeralds off any of these villages. 18 wheat. Okay. I could probably do that. So I don't want either of those two dying, so I'll block up that door too. And let's go get some wheat. Spider. Oh! Well, I guess I got some wheat. I'm gonna die. Crap. Back in here. They didn't. 2 more. Come on. I'm just gonna try to run because these skeletons aren't doing anything. Is that skeleton still happening? Okay. Kind of try to ignore him. So 18 wheat for an emerald, 1 emerald for 9 arrows. I'm definitely gonna have to start a wheat farm at our house because we're gonna need a lot of arrows. And as for now, we only know of this villager, so I'm gonna get some wheat and I'll be back to you guys. Okay, so we got 2 emeralds, so that puts us at 26 arrows from just this journey, so it's quite a bit. We're gonna start heading our way home, and I'm gonna check my little pit of villagers down there. I don't know about any of them. We ran into a lot of monsters. I almost died multiple times. Just keep running, just keep running. Ow. So we're gonna check this pit of villagers for anything. Okay, so how about you? Cookies, melons, ow. Okay, yeah, I'll just have to check it another time. So, I'll be right back. So I went ahead and went to bed. I don't know how much longer I'll be able to keep this up right now, though. My head's really starting to... Oh, come on. We gotta do something about that. Okay, I'm still looking okay. Still looking. Got some more pork chops. We're just gonna go check our mob grinder for anything at all. And there's a spider and a skeleton that aren't dead. Great. Die. It's empty. Okay, it's fine, it's fine. Let's go check these villagers out. If anything, I just take some wheat from over here and get more arrows that way. Wait, paper? 20 sold paper. Okay, yeah, so I'll be right. So, yeah, my name is JC Elite, and I'll see you guys later. And we just got an excellent source of arrows.